So you found this product on TikTok. If this product is inspiring you, should you sell it on Amazon? Well, let's do a deep dive into knowing and understanding whether or not this particular product is doing well on TikTok, and let's also use Facebook Ads Manager. So let's get started. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you like everything related to Amazon, specifically Amazon in the Middle East. And don't forget to leave us a thumbs up on this video and leave us a comment in the comment section below, because it helps and supports us grow the channel and support more entrepreneurs like you throughout the whole entire Amazon universe. But if you are a returning subscriber, well, welcome back. In this video, I wanted to walk you through all of the necessary steps for you to follow, the strategies that you can implement quite easily if you find a good product on TikTok or anywhere else that might be an inspirational product for you. Now, you might think the first thing to do would be to log into Amazon, type in the actual keyword for the products to see whether or not the product is selling well. If you don't have a tool, that might not be the right thing to do, because sellers can easily manipulate their rank.
So I logged into Amazon UAE and I typed in the keyword spoon scale. And as you can see, I get the first product to be spoon scale, and then a couple of different products, and then another product here and a few other products here. Now, it might seem from just looking here that, yeah, these products are doing quite well. They're already listed on Amazon. There's a lot of other sellers, and they do have ranking, but that's not always the case.
Now, what is the right way to find products on Amazon? Well, at least to find out if a product is best selling on Amazon without utilizing a tool, that's by simply going to the bestseller category.
Checking the BSR is quite simple. Let's log into this product, which seems to be the best-selling product on Amazon for a spoon scale. And then we're going to scroll down to almost the middle of the page where we can find the product information and we can look at the bestsellers rank. In this case, because as you can see, the category for this product is a kitchen category, which is a very large category. We want to look at the subcategory, which includes all of the products that are relevant and are going to compete with this particular product. And the BSR for this particular product is 111 for the subcategory, which is digital kitchen scale. So even though it was ranked first in the keyword spoon scale, but it is not the best performing product on Amazon when it comes to digital kitchen scales. Let's click here so that we can see the full, some of the full entire list. We can see up to 50 different sellers. And as you can see, the first 50 sellers, there's no spoon scale. Let's look at the next 50 sellers. Again, all very much kitchen scales, very different products, but I believe that, okay, so here we go. We do have a spoon scale, however, it's number 83, and it's actually not the scale that we just saw, and it is selling at 21 dirhams, so it is also incredibly low priced. Is there any other spoon scale? No. So the only spoon scale is actually this one that's selling at 21 dirhams. That could be also the reason why it's selling. So yeah, it's not really performing as well on Amazon as it is currently performing on TikTok.
I'm still going to utilize the same example of the particular product just because, I really like it and it's very much trending right now on TikTok as of me filming this video in March of 2024. However, let's just keep going and let's just say that you're still very interested in this product, but you want to figure out and find out what other things you can do, and you want to try to spy on potential competitors off of Amazon. So you don't want to see what people are doing on Amazon. We can simply, we can easily see what people are doing on Amazon. But what about on other platforms, like people's own websites? What about social media at large? Enter Facebook Ads Manager.
So now we want to access Facebook's ads library. So you can simply go to Google and type in Facebook ads library. Of course, now it's known as Meta, and it should be the first line of or in the search results page. Let's click on it. Once you click on it, you can decide which country you want to focus on. You can decide all countries if you wanted to, or a particular country where you are selling. I would suggest to always add the United States, since It is one of the biggest e-com markets, and certainly you'll find some of the best performing ads there. So let's scroll down and find, there we go, United States. Now, we need to select an ads category, so it's not anything related to politics, housing, employment, or credit. It's all ads. And then here we need to add a particular keyword so we can see some ads. Let's use spoon scale as a keyword for the product. Now, the concept here is we want to find out what sellers are doing that are selling something similar. How are they positioning the product? What unique things are they doing with their ads? What is unique in selling this product? But as you can see, we're going to get a lot of different ads. So what we would need to do is to filter them. In the filtration, what we need to do is, first of all, you need to make sure that, do you want to see ads that are currently inactive? I don't think so. We just need to look at active ads, since inactive ads might be a little bit old or they might be underperforming, hence they are inactive. So let's click on active ads. And as you can see, you can decide which part of Meta you want to look at, but let's look at all platforms. And if there's a specific type of media, like images or memes, videos, anything like that, let's keep it all media. And how about the date? So it's important for us to not look at products, at ads that are very old, or, since 2018 is somewhat a very long time. So let's actually move it back to 2024, but not April. Let's give it from January 1st, 2024 till April 11th, 2024. That's a good amount of time. And we apply. So now that we have applied these filters, we're looking at active ads, which have been running from January until April, so not a very short period of time, so that we can figure out what's happening and what type of ads are performing well for this particular product. So some of the ads aren't really working well for this particular product, but I found this ad. And this ad where somebody is selling this spoon scale, but it's actually being sold for pets. Let's look at the ad details. So as you can see, we can see exactly where the ad is being positioned. We can see some further information as to what the ad looks like. We can click on the offer, and we can check more information about the advertiser. The advertiser is Whisker Wonder. We can see their ads, or we can directly go to the page as well. We can also go to the page from here, and we can see when the ad started running. So the ad started running from March 24th, so it hasn't been a very, very long time. But this gives me an idea that probably maybe the spoon scale can actually be positioned as a scale for pets rather than a scale for human beings. This is the second ad of a similar product. Let's see ad details. So this one has been running since January 2nd of 2024. And if an ad has been running for that long, it means this product is performing well for this particular seller. This is a video ad, very interesting, and the website is called convenient.com. It certainly looks like a drop shipping website, and the spoon scale is selling at $19.88 with multiple colors, and they're trying to bundle it up so people can buy more than one, and putting all of these details like 1,046 visitors currently looking at this product. All of those are obviously not real. They are just ways to get buyers to buy the product. But the cool thing is they have provided a lot of GIF images, so you can see the exact size and weight, the exact size of the product, and all of the different uses, how you can hang it up. It's actually quite a good website, and showing you some different things. Here, the image has content written in French, so that's funny, even though the website is actually certainly in English, and a little bit more information about the colors. They're selling also other products, since they're like a drop shipping website. So it's interesting to see that this product, of course, it's performing quite well, because they wouldn't be running the ad for such a long time if the ad wasn't performing well. Convenient has only 231 followers, but that's not important because they're just using their page in order to advertise on both Facebook, Meta, the Audience Network, as well as Facebook Messenger. since January 2nd of 2024. So this is quite interesting.
Well, I would suggest that you use Facebook Ads Manager in multiple ways, because you can use Facebook Ads Manager to try to figure out how you can competitively create a product on Amazon that is basically doing very well on Amazon, but you're thinking, okay, how am I competing with other sellers? How am I going to sell something different? Specifically, if you're not a product designer yourself, you can simply go into Facebook Ads Manager, see what products are doing well. Because at the end of the day, if an ad is running, if it's active, and it's been out there for quite some time, you can easily discern and try to figure out whether or not that is a product that's doing well. So you can gather ideas in a smart way. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to reach out to us in case you have any need for support on the Amazon platform, specifically Amazon UAE, Saudi, Egypt, as well as Turkey. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.